DJ Master Skills here in the house. And what I got finally is the F22 Pro. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I've been waiting for this wheel. I've been wanting this wheel. It's minimal, people getting the pre-manufactured ones. But I had a feeling this wheel was going to be Kingsong's comeback wheel, because personally I'm not really a big fan of Kingsong. I think their builds are kind of weak, and I don't know. Some people like them, but I'm not a big fan. I've never rode one. Their app's supposed to be really cool. So, but this one, I thought this one's different, and kept an eye on it. Finally called it, took a chance, put it out there, and here it is. So excited. So yeah, came from China. So spent quite a bit of time in customs. It was supposed to be only like, I don't know, they're like 4 to 8 days, and literally it was like freaking 15 days. 15 days. I was pretty surprised with that. Does look like it's been through a little bit. Weird thing was, usually they show up. Now, I got this from Next Gen Mobility, and the guy's really cool. He's a cool dude, and kind of a real good time. Worked with him for a while, and a few other peeps, and the guy's on it. If you talk with him, sometimes he hooks you up. If you buy a wheel, second wheel, he definitely hooks you up. So I definitely suggest checking them out. I know he just got these orders in, but these things are going so fast. I think Alien Rides had their first order, and they had the entire thing like gone like that day. So yeah. So obviously, this wheel slides out, because I don't have to open really anything. I don't need this. I don't think it's a hinge, it's just heavy. It's just, there we go, a little bit of tear. I could lift it up, laying it down. There we go. Wow. Breathing in fumes. Alright, model F22. It's the highest volt wheel out there. It's got a rated power of 5,500 watts. Peak power, 12,000 watts. It's got a gradability, 45 degrees. Says mileage about 180 kilometers. That's quite a bit. I mean, I'm sure that depends on how fast you ride. Max load, 140 kilograms. Damn, I'm just about there. No, about 100. Crazy. So it does come with it's 176.4 volt wheel. Charging time, it's figures about, with their charger, it comes with a 10 amp charger, base charger. It's got frame suspension travel, 100 millimeters, pedal size, product, lift sensor, roll protection, speed limit protection, all that stuff in there. It's got a smart PMS, so it's pretty smart. It also comes with pads, which is kind of amazing. They've got that special type of on the back. Who does that? The one that's on my master. I can't remember. Anyway, but they seem very like styrofoamy almost. I doubt these are 3D printed. They're not, for sure. It's a little soft, a little different material than a 3D print. More of like a faux leather. Faux. Like pleather. Pleather pads. Because you know that's what you want. You love that pleather. You love it. And it comes with a seat. Pretty cool. Faux leather. Faux leather seat. It's not shiny. This is the battery. And it's pretty big. I'd say my biggest battery so far is my V13 battery. And I think that only charges 5 amps. This thing is definitely bigger. But, you know, it's really not that heavy. I don't know. Maybe kind of in the backpack, just like having a weighted vest. Good for you, man. Good for you. I got a weighted vest. So, somehow, this is supposed to pull off. And here we go. Oh, Kingsong! Hallelujah! 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 Kingsong! 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 Probably how you say it. Kingsong! Hallelujah! 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 Cool. And there is the shock pump. 300 PSI shock pump from D&M. So that ain't a cheap shock pump. Wonder how the tip goes. How the tip is. Just the tip. Just the tip. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's drop this a little bit. Get down here so I can see what I'm dealing with. Gorgeous. Oh, the sun wants to hit me right there. So we're going to go this way. Hallelujah. Kingsong. Kingsong. Kingsong wheels. Kingsong, come back. There we go. Nice, good look at this sucker. Yeah, so that is one hefty wheel. Now, that isn't the wheel I ordered. It's not the wheel I ordered. But what you gonna do? Now, there were 3 wheels that you could order on this thing. There was the knobby, there was the middle wheel, and then there was the street wheel. Now, the middle wheel was in between, you know. It was like kind of a regular kind of dirt tire. So, and that's the one I ordered. And I definitely said either the street tire or the middle wheel. So I pretty much specifically said I didn't want the dirt tire. But, you know, whatever. I got lots of dirt here, man. And our roads are really fucked up. They are really messed up. Really, 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 really messed up. So basically, how it goes is we gotta pump this up. Pump this baby up, man. And we have to unlock it. So I'm probably just gonna pump it up to about 200 if I don't see it immediately. I'm not gonna look at this for too long. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time's a wasting, time's a wasting. Here it is. All right. So 90 to 100 kilograms. About 200 psi. Just what I thought. Just what, oh shit, I gotta use that to unlock it. Because I'm using my phone. That way I can post it, man. With my 360. You know, I got their cloud service, right? So then I could, all my stuff would just go right to their cloud. And then, lo and behold, you know, sometimes I lock my card, you know, so people don't just jack my account like they do. And so they, you know, they went to get the money out of my account, didn't go through. And then, but then it's like, they didn't give me any time. They just straight cut me off. So they stopped like any upgrade from my camera. So like, I got all the film on my camera still, right? But like for me to edit that camera, I got to load it to the phone or my iPad, and I already got that stuff. I already have that filled up, man. I'm gonna have to delete something. So now, like, I'm like, God, I have to figure out something else. Like, you know, it's just that they got you, man. They got you paying, always paying. You know? You never catch up. You never own nothing anymore. So, in order for me to actually pump these up, I gotta take these off and these off. And then I gotta unlock it on that thing. But at least you guys got to see a little bit of the unboxing and what it looks like. And it's kind of funny though. It's like weird because also the pads, like, who was that? Wrong Way had one of these. He was excited about this one too. And you know, they didn't put it comes pre-padded, but this section right here isn't padded. Now, I have pads, so I mean, it's not that big a deal. Plus, I got a heat gun, so that way I can put it on, throw a heat gun on it, get it to stick a little better. And it's just no problem patching that side up. But just strange that the pre-production came the same way. It came the same way as the pre-production. So, but I am Kingsong. But yeah, this is the F22 Pro Raptor. It's the Raptor band, the Raptor controller. It's still got some play, even though there's no air in it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, can't wait to get this thing going. I'll post some videos, man. I promise. I promise. I always think I'm going to, but video editing is the biggest pain in the butt. I mean, seriously. It's like it takes so long. I fall asleep, and I wake up, I try to work, I fall asleep again. I'm just like, damn, I mean, come find out there's some people in like, I don't know, India or something. You pay them $25, they edit it for you. Damn, I'm down. So, I think I'm gonna start shooting all my video. I edit my stuff because I got a ton of video. And my videos on my site right now are just, I don't know. I'm very good at doing TikTok and Instagram videos, but I did get the whole Adobe suite for my school, so I'm learning that. So my videos, Illustrator is what I'm working with right now. So my videos should be getting better on my end. But till then, I need a girlfriend that's computer savvy. Let her do it. Man, I had this ex-girlfriend, she would have been perfect. Sometimes I think I shouldn't have broke up with that girl. She was just annoying. She was annoying, and it was right when we were all texting, so she'd send me like pages of texts. I couldn't go out with my friends. She'd send me a book. I was like, I can't do this. Peace. All right, peeps. F22 Pro in the house. J-Master Skills. Kitty Monkey Designs. All right, you guys. Wear your gear. I swear. Because I'll kick your ass. Promise. I promise.